toi tu vas chez toi, ou bien je vais chez moi. Kidam, kidam, kidam gada, ya, écoutez-moi, écoutez-moi.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and welcome to International Airport. The local time here is 11:45 in the evening and the outside temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. For your comfort and especially for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you take all of your personal belongings with you, checking both under the seat in front of you and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening these, as loose items may fall out and injure you or your fellow guests. For our Pearl and Etihad Gold guests who have already booked their chauffeur service, you will find your chauffeur waiting near the terminal exit after clearing customs. And for those travelling further, a safe onward journey. Thank you and a Merry Christmas.
So me and Kesha for the first time were introduced by Kesha's Masi's best friend, whose daughter is my sister's best friend.
Okay, so that feels really long, but so we actually met through family. It was a proper arranged marriage.
Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain, it's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. The world awaits. It's your love, I know, that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful.
When we first met, Kesha was very quiet. She didn't speak at all.
I was not even of the mindset that, anything's going to work out with this guy. Only because I was going to France and I was in the whole zone of, I was going there for a short program and I was going to look for an internship. I was actually leaving in a week. So I was pretty sure that no, I don't think nothing's going to happen.
Walking on a tightrope, singing in the lifeboat. Why they wanna medicate me like a sick joke? And I don't wanna let go, never mind your door. And if I get a tummy ache, yeah, I'll just take a pep talk. उम्र में सारियां जी लियां, रोशनी में सारियां पी लियां, रंगां दी कहानियां टक टक के मैं ते उंगलियां टक गईयां। करता है रब बांधेरा, दूंगा बाके वो तो भागेगा जब आएगा सवेरा। आसमान में सूरज तू बना दे, उस पर भी तो है ना दूंगा बसेरा।
सवाल का जवाब है केशा. So you have to show the female purse, and if you think the answer is Urnil, you have to show the male wallet. Simple.
ઉર્નિલ અને કેશામાંથી સૌથી વધારે રોમેન્ટિક કોણ છે? Okay. Good going. अब और मजा आएगा. केशा અને ઉર્નિલમાંથી સૌથી પહેલા just to avoid fights and arguments sorry कौन बोल देता है?
जाके जाके देखो तो सच होंगे भरोसा है हर पल का तुम मजा ले धीरे से अब तो डरना जीने से तू डरना है रब का घेरा उनका बातें वो तो भागेगा जब आएगा सवेरा
એમાં એક કાણી રાણી જમકુડી રે લોલ કાણી કે મને ગોગલ્સ જોઈએ જમકુડી રે લોલ ડેરીન જવાતું નથી ગોગલ્સ લવાતું એ કાણી
The only reaction I got from her was when I said that I do not want to get married right after, because arranged marriage is generally you have to get married right after, or maybe in a couple of months everything is planned. And so at that point, her face lit up and she was like, okay, this is exactly what I want as well. So in a weird way, that was our bonding moment. That is where we bonded, that we did not want to get married right after we met.
And that's how we first met, and my only intention was, okay, I'll just meet a guy and maybe we'll become friends, if nothing.
Feeling like a drop in the ocean that don't nobody notice. Maybe it's all just in your head. Feeling like you're trapped in your own skin, and now your body's frozen. Broken down, you've got nothing left. When you're high on emotion and you're losing your focus, and you feel too exhausted to pray. Don't get lost in the moment or give up when you're closest. All you need is somebody to say it's okay not to be okay. It's okay not to be okay. When you're down and you feel ashamed, it's okay not to be okay.
and at that point, after that, I was asked to contact her, and then I think we connected over WhatsApp and talked.
So we used to chat a lot, and then we met, and after that it was non-stop. Like we met, I was leaving in a week and we met 6 times in that week itself. It wasn't like we were going out because we had crazy schedules. I was working and I couldn't take a day off as well. But we used to just meet early in the mornings or like in the evenings and nothing doing. We'd just meet for a walk and that's about it.
Of young hearts, I want you to know now, that when the stars come out, I wanna be with you. Let the world drift away and make the most of today. When the stars come out, I wanna be with you. We can forget about tomorrow, 'cause all we've got is right here, right now. Right here, right now. We are young and free, and all we will ever need is right here, right now. Right here, right now. When the stars come out, I wanna be with you. We can forget about tomorrow, 'cause all we've got is right here, right now. Right here, right now.
She was the first girl he met, and how lucky is he? Like he's getting to get, like he found the right partner in the first person he met. So when I met her, I was like, okay, and I was spending. And the thing is, my common friend, my best friend knows her. So we were like, oh, I used to ask her, you know, how is she, you know, because she knows my brother and she knows her as well. So, you know, how she is and if they will be compatible. And, you know, we used to talk about that. And now that it's finally happening, like actually that they're getting married, I'm so happy.
सुर हो मेरी सांसों में लय तेरी धड़कन में डूब जाए चल किसी अनजानी सरगम में अल्फाज जो संगीत से मिल जाए एक तार की हम तार बन थर्राए एक गीत बन जाए तू और छाँव में दोनों एक आंगन में भीग जाए चल किसी अनजाने मौसम में, एहसास ये जज्बातों से मिल जाए, फिरते रहे बस यूं ही हम भरमाए, एक गीत बन जाए।
डूबा डूबा मन, डूबा डूबा मन, डूबा डूबा रे खुमार में, खोया खोया मन, खोया खोया तेरे प्यार में, खोया खोया मन, खोया खोया मन, खोया खोया रे गुबार में, डूबा डूबा मन, डूबा डूबा तेरे प्यार में, डूबा डूबा मन, खोया खोया मन, डूबा डूबा मन तेरे प्यार में।
या मैंने तो उनको यही बोला था कि शादी झोल है, पूरा का पूरा कंसेप्ट झोल है। यहाँ लाइक दिस वाज अ डायलॉग इन ये जवानी है दीवानी, इट वाज दिस अ स्मॉल कंसेप्ट ऑन दिस। ये सब झोल है, वही खाना पीना सोना, 50 साल की ज़िंदगी यही बचा है। बट यू आर विथ उर्निल भाई and you are with yourself as well, both like adventures, and you have a first cousin like me who has lots of adventures in his life. So yeah, it's gonna be a great thing. Welcome back, and there's a lot bigger life and a happier life to go ahead.
बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे, बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे, ओ सावड़ी सूरत जेड़ो जानीड़ो मारो, सावड़ी सूरत जेड़ो जानीड़ो मारो, बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे, बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे।
કેમિસ્ટ્રી અલગ જ હોય છે, એ શબ્દોમાં લખવી સંભવ જ નથી, એ માત્ર સ્પર્શ અને સ્પંદનના જ એના જ એ ગણિતથી ચાલે કરે છે। એ દશકાની સમય દરમિયાનની અંદરમાં જ્યારે એના લગ્નનો સમય આવે છે અને એને બધું જ્યારે જુએ કરે છે ત્યારે પિતામાંથી એ પુરુષોત્તમ બને છે। તો પુત્રથી પતિ, પતિથી પપ્પા, પપ્પાથી પિતા અને પિતાથી પુરુષોત્તમ બને છે। અને જ્યારે આજે સાંજના શુભ લગ્ન ચોઘડીએ જ્યારે એક કન્યા દાન આપશે ત્યારે પુરુષોત્તમમાંથી પરમેશ્વર બને છે। તો આ જે જર્ની છે પિતાથી લઈ પુત્રથી લઈ ને પરમેશ્વરની, એ જ્યારે કન્યાદાન કરતો હોય છે ને ત્યારે ઈશ્વર પણ એના પર કૃપાદાન થાય છે અને એને વરદાન આપે છે। એક વરદાનમાં આપે છે જે વરદાન રૂપે સાબિત થાય છે। તો આપ આજ એના એ બનવાના છો, આપને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન। અમારો ઉર્નિલ કદાચ પ્રભાતની પરોઢમાં નીકળતું સૂર્યનું પહેલું કિરણ હશે તો તમારી દીકરી કેશા એ જ સૂર્યપ્રકાશથી ઉત્પન્ન થતી ઓજસનું પહેલું બિંદુ પીનારી કોકિલકંઠી કોયલ છે। અમારો ઉર્નિલ કદાચ વરસાદનું પહેલું ઝાપટું હશે તો ચિરંજીવ કેશા આપની એ જ વરસાદ પડવા બાદ માટીની જે ભીની સુગંધ પહેલા આવે છે ને એ ચિરંજીવ કેશા છે। અમારો ઉર્નિલ કદાચ શિખરબંધી દેરાસરની ફરકતી ધ્વજા હશે તો એ જ દેરાસરના ગભારામાં વાગતું ગુંજતું મીરાનું ગીત, રાધાનું પ્રીત, સીતાનું સ્મિત અને સુલસાની તપસ્યા જો હશે તો એ ચિરંજીવ કેશા જ રહેવાની છે. આપને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન.
सावरी सूरत जैसा जानीरा मेरा ये छोड़ो सोए हमारे आंगने बैठो तो सही मेरे सामने बोले तो मिठो लागे हंसे तो प्यारो लागे ये छोड़ो सोए हमारे आंगने ये छोड़ो सोए हमारे
But I mean, all I can say is it was a feeling that built up over time. So it wasn't like it was a point of inflection. I just went from no, I don't want to get married to let's get married. It slowly, because I've always been independent. I've lived outside of my home more than I've lived at home.
जिंद मेरी तेरे पिछे हारिया मैं ता तेरे उत्तों जान बैठी वारिया मैं ता जिंद मेरी तेरे पिछे हारिया मैं ता तेरे उत्तों जान बैठी वारिया मैं ता तेरे नाल सच्ची लाई यारी वे मैनू चढ़े तेरी इश्क खुमारी वे मेरे दिल दा इको सुपना तेनू अपनी बना के मैं ता ले जाना जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मिलिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मिलिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मिलिया जन भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मिलिया जीने मरने दी तैयारी है तेरे नाम कीती जिंदगी मैं सारी है मैं ता तेरे लिए छड्डी दुनिया सारी वे मैं ता सोच लिया तू मेरी सारी वे मैं रब कोलों हो मंगदी तू डोली च बिठा के मैनू ले जावे जन भी गवा तारे गवा
So Kesha has been always a little sister who is ahead of me in many aspects, and that was already a lot of pressure. So now the pressure is going finally, but she has been always this enthusiastic, proactive kind of girl who keeps putting efforts for things she likes.
She can let go of things like this. She's a very happy-go-lucky person, but like a good night's sleep and she's back on her feet, ready to take on the world.
साची मारी प्रीत तू हयानु गीत तू मारो मन मीत तू हवे रात दिवस बस एक रटण तारू नाम साहिबा तारू नाम के साहिबो मारो जाने गुलाब नो छोड़ के छेनियो सुगंध ना प्रीतनी रे के साहिबा वाला मीठी मीठी तारी बातों जगाड़े आखी रातों आवा तो तारा प्रीतनी रे के बातो तारा प्रीतनी रे के बातो तारा प्रीतनी रे
ઉર્નિલ મારો દીકરો એના માટે હું શું શબ્દો કહું એ મારા દિલનો ટુકડો છે, જાન છે મારી.
The best thing that I like about Urnil is he is really, he's lived in US for like a good 8 years and that's been his entire adulthood actually, but he's very family rooted.
दिन है आया बिल्कुल लल्लन टाप टाप, सोडा पानी नींबू के साथ क्या पिएंगे आ.
बेटा अपना सूली चढ़ गया कल बन जाए बाप बाप, बाप के पैसों से कहिए क्या पिएंगे आप. बना के शॉट लगा ले, नहीं तो चेपेंगे घंटा. अम्मा कुछ तो बोलिए, मियाँ किसके होलिए, यारों से हम मुंह फेर के कहाँ को चल दिए. परमानेंट नहीं, आज तो हंस के घोड़ी बैठे कल को रो लीजिए.
Urnil bhai is like 9 years elder to me, so and like he always studied. He went to study in a hostel, and then after that, by the time I grew up, he went to US to study. So we didn't have a lot of time to spend together physically, but we've always been really close.
मुझसे है छूट रहा वो कल जो था मेरा, तुझे पाके यूं लगा तू ही मेरा जहां, तू ही मेरा जहां, तू ही मेरा जहां. संग संग चलूं मैं बन के रहूं साया तेरा, तू ही मेरा जहां.
So love for me, it would be something you would be with somebody where you can both grow together, and that I see in us as a couple. We complement each other in a lot of ways. There are things he doesn't like, but he will always be more willing in doing because I like. So I just feel that he is one person that I will grow with as an individual and as a couple, so that we can have a family tomorrow. And I think that's really important as a couple to grow together.
तेरी जोगण हो गईया प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया, मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया, मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया, मैं तेरी जोगण हो गईया प्यार विच रोगण हो गईया. वे होड़ा वे
So Kesha, I know that we've been through a lot of ups and downs, and we've fought many fights together to get where we are today. I hope in the future that is how we will be, us against the world. Yeah, I guess maybe 40 years down the road, when we're looking at the same video, I just want you to know that I'll probably love you a lot more than I am right now. So Kesha, right now I know that we don't get a lot of time for each other. We're very busy, and maybe in our younger years we might be. Down the line, I want to make sure that we have enough time for each other, and I promise that we will find that.
For my dad, I'm sure for my dad it's been a very emotional ride because a lot of people say that I am a lot like my dad, and I know he will never say it, but I just know how emotional he would be at this point. Maybe because he kept the promise, he won't even cry in my wedding. But I know back when he goes back home and when it actually it's going to hit, he'll probably shed a tear or two, but it's fine.
વિદાય ભલે થાય છે પણ વિદાય જેવું ફીલ નથી થતું. આખો એક આનંદનો મહોત્સવ બની રહ્યું હોય એવું અમને લાગે છે. બાકી એ ઘરમાં આટલા વર્ષોથી અમારી સાથે રહેલી છે એટલે અમે એને કોઈ પણ ટાઈમે મિસ કરવાના જ છે. પણ એની સાથેનો આનંદ એ છે કે જેમ અમને ઝીલ જેવી દીકરી મળી છે એમ અમને ઉર્મિલ જેવો દીકરો મળ્યો છે.
When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me, stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I grow weak.
Mrs. Kesha Urmil would like to thank each one of you on our behalf. So starting with the oldest members of our family, but the youngest at heart, a big thank you to Dada, Moti Mummy, Ba, Nana Ji and Nani Ji, with whose blessings we are here today. I would just like to mention that I do miss my Nana Nani a lot, but I know they're watching over us. Also kudos to Penzil, Manuni, Janisha, Hasti and Rachit for becoming our social media managers, to sorting out our outfits, helping us with all the Sangeet practices and putting in the effort to make Udke to Bahrain so memorable for all. Thanks to Avdi and Faiz for bringing in the Sangeet together and helping us with all the other nitty-gritties during ceremony. A big thank you to our moms and dads. We really love you all.
I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Sway me smooth, sway.
So the foodie that you are, I can't promise that I'll be making everything just the way you like it, but I will try it for you. And I can't promise to take away all your worries, but I will always be there with you and you will always be my first priority. I love you.
ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਕੂਨ ਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਿਆ ਜਦ ਕਦੇ ਰੱਬ ਰੁਸਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨੀ ਹੈ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਹੋਰ ਜਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਰੁਸੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਸੋ ਰੁਕ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਜਾਗ ਕੇ ਲਿਖਦੀ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ
ते सजे शाम से बजे रंग गुलाल अखनू आज लेके लगोंदा जी बस तेरा ख्याल
ઉર્નિલને પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ દે બે જણા ખૂબ ખૂબ સારી રીતે રહેજો ને ખૂબ ખૂબ સંસાર સારી રીતે ચાલે.
કેશા અને ઉર્નિલને મારા ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ છે કે એનું લગ્ન જીવન એનું ગૃહસ્થી જીવન ખૂબ જ સુંદર રહે. બે સમજદારીપૂર્વક એકમેકને સમજીને આગળ વધે એ જ શુભકામના છે. મા બાપના આશીર્વાદ છે. ઉર્નિલ, કેશા, વી લવ
Find a way through darkness. Have a smile that portrays my happiness. Every year I long for celebration, for the moments I still cherish in time, to be with my tribe in elation. You know what's on my mind. When we get together, oh, we'd be dancing like this. Every year I long for celebration, for the love of gold, of a special kind. We're in this together with passion. You know what's on my mind. It's time to be true. Shake, swell and groove. Love binds us साथ चले संग तेरे निकले, हम भी साथ चले संग तेरे निकले. It's time to be true. Shake, swell and groove. Love binds us true. Oh, we'd be dancing like this.
So we wish Urnil and Kesha both a very, very happy married life.
Congratulations! Hashtag Urke